Yo, what's up beautiful people of YouTube? Welcome to Dom's Media Zone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can capture your computer screen and record what you're doing on your computer. So this is a tutorial video aimed at somebody who would like to perhaps create tutorials to post them on YouTube or somewhere else, and you want to be able to record your screen for free. It's super easy and it is a free software. I'll be showing you what to use and how it works to record your computer screen. So if this video is for you, do stick around and I hope you enjoy it. Hey, welcome everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you what software I use to record my screens when I do tutorials. This is going to be a quick overview of what I use and how easy it is to actually record your computer screen if you want to create a tutorial while you're speaking over. This is super easy. So I use a free software called OBS, which stands for Open Broadcaster Software. I will put links down in the description for this software so you can easily go here and download it. So go ahead and find your version, download your software over here, and then once you've installed it, you should get an icon on your computer that looks like this. It's called OBS Studio. So go ahead and launch OBS Studio. I've already got it open up because I'm using it right now to record this video where you can hear me speaking. So once you open OBS Studio, it really looks weird at first. Basically what's happening is it's displaying your computer screen here and it's showing you what you're recording. So you're recording your computer screen, showing you the recording, showing you the computer screen, showing you the recording, and so on, and it creates an infinite kind of loop in there. At first when I installed it, I thought maybe something's broken. Rest assured it's not. This is how it's supposed to look. As you can see here, I've got my recording already started, so I'm not going to stop it right now, but I'll show you a brief setup how you can easily and quickly set it up. If you've got a microphone, whether it's an external mic that's plugged into your computer via a USB cable, or if you're using the built-in computer microphone, go ahead into setup here, settings, and go to audio. Now this is where you can select what microphone you want to be using, mic auxiliary audio. So I've got my Blue Yeti Nano that I'm speaking on right now. So I've selected my Blue Yeti Nano that's installed, but you can change it. I could change it to my computer PC and things like that. So select your microphone, make sure it's plugged in, make sure it's working. Now as you speak, at the bottom here, you'll see the microphone levels. So it will automatically show you, and you can adjust these levels up and down over here. So this shows you my microphone is set up, and the only other thing that's important is here in the output tab. Go to your output tab and choose your recording path. So this is where are your video screen shares going to be saved once you hit that stop recording button. So I've got mine here in C users and my desktop recorded screen. So I've got a folder in there that I've set up. You can always click browse here and choose a folder. And once you've got those things set up, you're pretty much ready to start recording your screen. So if I click OK here to start recording, it's going to say here start recording. Go ahead and click start recording, and when you finish, go ahead and click stop recording. Now I'm not going to click stop recording right now because I'm recording this tutorial on this for you. But if I do minimize this and I go into that folder that I've selected, you can see this video hasn't been saved yet, but it's already in here and it's busy recording the video as I speak. So once I press stop recording, I'll be able to access the screen share. So let me just go ahead and press stop recording, and then we can start recording again and preview this video, what happened. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I've gone ahead and pressed stop recording and start recording. So as you can see now I'm recording again. So it started a new file, but my old file's here already. And I mean, I've been speaking for 3 minutes 53 seconds on this video, and it's 11 megabytes big. It's not big at all. And if I open it for you to show you how it looks, so let's just go ahead. Easy. So I use a free software called OBS, which stands for Open Broadcaster Software. As you can see, it perfectly recorded the screenshot with me speaking over it. Now keep in mind from my experience what I've done, if you are recording something and say you open a YouTube video while you're recording to show someone something, if you hit play, the sound from that video does get recorded as well. So that can happen. So just bear that in mind when you're recording these tutorials, and that's pretty much how easy it is to use OBS Studio to record tutorials. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I do hope this helps you out. Thank you for watching. And that's how easy it is to record your computer screen for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out. If it did, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel. I'll aim to have much more cool videos in the future. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, take care, and goodbye.